We've got to make this tube. We'll start with this. Okay, this is the part we're pulling. So this is a compound. First one's going to go this way, and we're going to flip it and roll it the other way. Keep us level. Okay. Yep. Okay. All right, wait. Okay. Got to move the screw. All right, we're going to come back. There we go. All right, do we want to be all the way down against this?
Yeah.
Okay, oops, sorry. Push your bar more. Okay, all right. We're off the flex here.
So now we need to mark that.
Okay. So you're gonna, is that where we want it?
Shirts.
Okay. So now we're gonna come over. All right, now it's gotta, hold on. Now we gotta go up. Let's see if I can you come to me? Okay. Okay, we gotta go up another one. Okay. Go back a little bit. Back a little bit more. Back a little bit more, and you stay. Okay, now come. Yep, that stayed against the block better. Push yours on through, and I'm gonna let off of mine some. Go ahead. That seemed to make it lay down a little bit better. Okay, and there's a little bit of spring back. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah.